Hello guys, standard 8, chapter number 5, combustion and fuels. Let's solve a revision sheet. So first of all, MCQs. Question number 1, substances like sand catch fire on their own without the application of heat. So it is false statement. Then second, a blue flame is also called a luminous flame. So it is also false. Question 3. Which of the following is not an example of combustible substances? So it is cement. Fourth one. Which of the following is the incorrect statement about carbon dioxide fire extinguisher? So here answer is B. Carbon dioxide gas is a supporter of combustion. So it is false because carbon dioxide is not a supporter. Fifth one. Which of the following is incorrect? The color of the flame depends on the quantity of substance. So here color does not depend the quantity of the substance, but it depends on temperature, amount of air available, nature of the substance burning. Now B. Write one example for each of the following. So first one, solid fuel. It is coal. Second, liquid petrol. So write down petrol, diesel, kerosene, any one. Third one, gaseous fuel. So it is LPG, CNG, petroleum gas, etc. Fourth one, inexhaustible natural resources. It is called as air and sunlight. 5. Fossil fuel. So it is natural gas. You can write also CNG, LPG also. Now give one word. First one, addition of undesirable substances to the air. It is air pollution. Second, natural resources whose supply is limited. So it is exhaustible natural resources. Third one, the amount of heat produced in kilojoules when 1 gram of a fuel is completely burned. So it is called as calorific value of a fuel. Fourth, combustion that takes place in inadequate amount of air or oxygen. So it is called as incomplete combustion. Fifth one, the substances that catch fire very easily. It is called as inflammable substances. One. Now fill in the blanks. First one, combustion of LPG is an example of rapid combustion. Second, soda acid fire extinguisher has a solution of sodium carbonate and sulfuric acid. So it is concentrated solution is required here in the form concentrated sodium carbonate and sulfuric acid is required in this fire extinguisher. Now which of has the highest calorific value? So it is hydrogen. Now fourth one, it is natural resources are the resources of which there is limitless supply. So it is inexhaustible. Here, coal tar is a thick opaque fluid obtained as a byproduct of the process of manufacturing coke. So answer is here tar, coal tar is called as, right. Now true and false statement. 1. A candle flame can be divided into 2 zones. So cut 2 and write down 3 because this sentence is wrong. So here there are 3 zones of candle flame. Now second one, substances that catch fire very easily are called as inflammable substances. So it is true. Third one, fuels are substances that produce heat and light energy on burning. It is also true. Fourth one, the choice of fuel depends upon its cost and efficiency. It is also true. Now fifth one, petroleum is separated into useful substances through a process called drilling. So it is false. This process is called as refining of petroleum. Now long answer questions. First one, explain the following term explosion. So it is one type of the combustion when it release heat, light and sound in a very large amount, as for example firecrackers. Then second one is rapid combustion. So it is the one type of combustion which release light in a very short length, right, but in short time. It is example of LPG gas which produce heat and little amount of light. Then spontaneous combustion. So it is one type of the combustion where without any application of heat it can get fire, right. In own they can fire. It is just for example here sulfur and phosphorus, not sulfur but phosphorus, which can catch fire in the own way, sodium also. So this type of the combustion is called as spontaneous combustion. Then second, why do fuel burning device have efficiency less than 100%? So when fuel burn, what happens? Whatever heat energy it releases which cannot be useful, 100% heat will not be useful, right, there will be loss of it. So any burning device which release heat which cannot be used 100%, right. Now third one, how can we experimentally prove that wax vapor burn during the combustion of candle wax? So guys, this is the activity. Which materials are required for this one? Candle and matchbox. And method, first of all light the candle using a match, and second let it blow out the candle and immediately bring a burning matchbox stick near the smoke. Here smoke is invisible, and hold the lid above the wick. You can see here flame from the match. It ignites the wick, right. That means ki what we find out here, candle can lit, and it is the wax vapor that burn, not the liquid wax. So okay guys, this was the answers of the revision sheet. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.